Hi there. In this lesson, we will discuss how to add a sign-off section to your vehicle inspection form. In this section, we can include four fields: a certification statement, the inspector's name, the inspector's signature, the date the inspector completed this form. Create a section named Sign Off. Make sure this section is added after the mileage log, so it appears at the end of the form. Remember to customize your section key field. Click Static Text to add a new field. This can be used to provide additional info or context to a form. Name the static field as Certification Statement. Click the Value text box under Static Text Settings. Type "I certify that all categories have been inspected." This is the text that will appear in the static text field for field users completing the form. Add a text field, Inspected By, which can be used to enter the inspector name. Click Signature. You do not need to change the field name for the signature field. Click Require. This means a signature will be required when a field user completed this form. This is a great setting to enable when formal/legal acknowledgement is necessary to meet compliance standards. Add the field date or time and select the date format. Click Default to Current Date. This setting means the date selection will default to the current date when a field user completes this field. This is how the inspector's signature can be captured in the form